Wabarakatuh. Hope you are all fine, dear students. Today I'll just show you 5 questions that generally will ask in the interview, and you can just check it out by yourself, and I'm very sure once you implement, then only it will be very clear to you. So try to do it and find it out, and so useful, and you can, when you cross check, then only you know that how what will be the output and all. Let me just start with the first my presentation. That's the first clip. Just stick around now, watch my presentation until the end so that you know. So now here I'm going to show you this very first trick. Is you get the decimal addition in comparison. What will happen? Really awesome, guys. You may get confused and you will just surprised why it's like that. And the second one is swapping. Generally swapping technique, you need a third variable in other programming languages if you are using, but here in Python it's so handy that just you can within the two variable itself you can just swap it. It's a very easy way you can do it. And the third one is transpose of a matrix. How you can just transpose. I'm very sure in intermediate and 10th class also you studied this one, and how easy if you have a built-in function. So that's what. And the fourth one is here lambda function in a conventional way, how you can make use of lambda function. That's what I am demonstrating in this small presentation. And the very last one is negative indexing. So beautiful that you can get even the negative numbers also in from the list. So this is the programs which only one program only. I just make it all these small questions that you can get in the interview. These are the questions like that, first, second, third, so on like that. But you see what will happen. The output is here, and once I show you my program, then it will be easier for you. And see, guys, here is my email ID, mosdabdulb60@gmail.com. you can contact me. And let me just close this one and just switch over to the program which is here. See here, guys, here is the program, and see when I execute what will happen. See, generally if you are checking this condition 0.1 plus 0.2, that is equal to, should be 3, right? 0.3. but here in Python it's not like that. It will be, you get a result as a false. And similarly here is the swapping. So by using just two variables, and this is the third one, that one is for transpose of matrix. And those who are familiar with matrix, it's very easy way. And this is the conventional way of lambda, how you use. And then this one is negative indexing. Say in Python you can access anything in negative also. See, that's what's about these programs. And now I'll execute this one, and you see the output is here. Now it's taking some little time to just take this transpose of matrix, and this is the output, guys. So see, the first one is false, and second one is before swapping 10 20, and after swapping it's like that, right? And this one is after transposing. This is 2 rows 3 column matrix, and it becomes after transposing 3 rows and 2 column. And similarly here, this is the conventional way of lambda, how this function you can execute it, and you get the value after passing the variable value into that. And then the last one here is so just to get the indexing from the list in positive as well as negative. If I use -1, see it from right hand side, right? That's what all about today's presentation. Thank you so much for watching. Now I'm going to wrap up. Thank you and take care. Have a nice day.